welcome back to my channel. Thank you once again for joining me today. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. You know the deal. If you haven't subscribed, like seriously, what are you doing? You don't want to join us like Queen family. Anyway, please do go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, and also hit your notification bell so with that you will be notified when I have a brand new video on my channel. Goody returning, one love. I appreciate you guys every now and then. I'm going to be doing my everyday go-to makeup look for you guys. I hope this video is helpful, you learn something and you want to recreate it. Feel free, you don't have to use the same product as I always say. Okay, no long talking, you know what to do. First, do you, stay pretty, don't forget to glow, and stay blessed. I will see you all in my next video. Take care, ciao. Something very neutral, easy, everyday wearable look. I apply any shadow on my eyelid. I'm going to be using this Bobbi Brown long wear cream eyeshadow base. I'm just going to be taking this Louvia Prime Virgin brush. I'm just going to dip it like so. Achieve this look, I'm going to be taking this NYX palettes eyeshadow. I'm going to be taking this shade right here, and I'm using this Real Technique base eyeshadow brush, this one right here. I'm just going to apply that all over my crease, and at the same time I'm going to be blending it to my lid. That is going to be my lid color, okay? But first I have to blend my crease color before. I'm going to be applying powder under my eye in case of any fallout. I'm just going to slightly blend out the edges of my crease, but I'm still going to use the same shade to do that. I'm only using 2 shades on this makeup look. First eyeshadow palette I use is called Enchanted Frost, and this one is called All Night Long. So I'm going to be taking All Night Long, just dipping just very little into this darker brown shade right here, and I'm going to apply that. I'm going to be defining my crease. I'm going to be defining my eyelid because I don't want my eye to look just one, okay? I'm just going to apply that direct into my crease. I'm using the same brush, okay, just in my crease, and use the same brush to blend it. I'm going to be taking the same brush, the one I used to blend the eyeshadow base. I'm just going to slightly blend the edges just a bit, just like so. For this look I decided not to go for any cat eye, any wing liner, but if you want, it's a choice matters, okay? It's an option. You can go ahead and apply wing liner, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to buff of this excess powder, and then I go ahead and apply my false lashes. But before I apply my false lashes, I have to apply mascara. So before I apply my false lashes, I'm going to be using this Catrice waterproof lashes to kill mascara. So for my brow bone highlights, I forgot to apply highlights on my brow bone. I'm going to be taking the Anastasia highlighter. I'm just going to slightly apply that. I'm using this Louvia Prime Virgin brush. I'm going to be using this kiss me lashes. I'm just going to apply that straight away. For my waterline, I'm going to be taking this Max Factor kind of beige eyeliner. There is no name on it, the name has already wiped up, so I'm just going to line my waterline to open my eye a little bit bigger. Smoke my waterline. I'm going to be taking that same shade, the one I apply on my eye on my lid and on my crease, which is this one right here. One of my favorites at the moment, I'm going to be taking this Love Lip Offer from Love. I'm going to be applying that to my lip. So today I'm going to be doing something a bit tricky. I'm going to be applying concealer on my lips. I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution concealer, Conceal and Define, and in the shade C15. Okay, C15. I'm going to be taking a lighter shade, which is a C13. For extra gloss, I don't think I'm going to be leaving it like so. I'm going to be taking this MAC Vampility, and the name is called Sparking. I'm just going to apply that just a little bit on the middle of my lid. Of my one more time, spray my face. I'll be right back. I'm going to be changing my wig. I'll be right back to show you the finished look. Don't go anywhere, okay?